Chapter 8, The Structure of the Central Nervous System. Question 1. In the spinal cord, motor neuron cell bodies are located in A. Lamina 1, B. Lamina 2, C. Lamina 5, D. Lamina 9. Correct answer is D. Lamina 9. Laminae 1 to 6 constitute the dorsal horn of the spinal cord and are the sites where the processes of peripheral sensory neurons terminate and the cell bodies of thalamic projection neurons are located. Laminae 8 and 9 form the ventral root and lamina 9 contains motor neuron cell bodies. Question 2. A patient is admitted after a head injury and sinks rapidly into a coma. An MRI scan indicates an extradural hemorrhage because extravasated blood can be detected between the A. skull bones and dura mater, B. dura mater and arachnoid, C. arachnoid and pia mater, D. pia mater and brain surface. Correct answer is A. skull bones and dura mater. Extradural hemorrhage is external to the outermost layer of the meninges, the dura. The other common place for blood accumulation is into the subarachnoid space, a subarachnoid hemorrhage. Question 3. Emissary veins connect the intracranial venous sinuses to A. veins draining the scalp, B. veins draining the eye, C. the pterygoid venous plexus, D. all of the above areas. Correct answer is D. all of the above areas. The intracranial venous sinuses are connected in several areas to the deep and superficial venous drainages of the head by emissary veins. These pass through small unnamed foramina or larger named foramina in the base of the skull. These routes are potential conduits for the spread of infection into the cranial cavity. Question 4. Which one of the following brain areas is supplied by branches of the subclavian arteries? A. the frontal lobe, B. the parietal lobe, C. the hypothalamus, D. the cerebellum. Correct answer is D. the cerebellum. The vertebral arteries are branches of the subclavian arteries and give rise to the vertebrobasilar system of arteries supplying the midbrain, hindbrain including cerebellum and the occipital and lower temporal lobes of the cerebrum. All other areas are supplied by branches of the internal carotid arteries. Question 5. Cerebrospinal fluid circulates around the brain between the A. skull and dura mater, B. dura mater and arachnoid mater, C. arachnoid and pia maters, D. pia mater and brain surface. Correct answer is C. arachnoid and pia maters. CSF circulates in the only true space between the skull, meninges, and brain and spinal cord, which is the subarachnoid space between the arachnoid and pia.